You're paying monthly for apps you could run yourself. Let me show you 5 self-hosted alternatives that save real money. Nextcloud kills Google Drive and Dropbox. Same files, same sharing, your server. $10 a month saved, forever. Vault Warden replaces Bitwarden Premium and LastPass. Password Manager with all the premium features. Runs on a Raspberry Pi. Your passwords never leave your hardware. Jellyfin replaces Netflix, Spotify, and Plex Premium. Stream your own library to any device. No ads, no tracking, no subscription. Free. Gitty replaces GitHub Pro. Your own Git server with issues, pull requests, CI. Unlimited private repos. No more per seat pricing. Homepage replaces your scattered bookmarks. One dashboard for all your services. Clean, fast, yours. The server pays for itself in 2 months of canceled subscriptions.